I told him I was going to drop off some old grape juice I have. It's 2 years
cool.
old, but it's still usable.
Grape juice is good.
Yeah, so I got
Thanks, I'm Miss Pearl.
Oh, you Miss Pearl? Hi, I'm Joe.
That's how we're doing it. It's like neighbors helping neighbors, not so much government.
So I got a couple pair of shoes too that my tenant threw away, and I said, you can't throw those away, they're too
we
good.
do garage sales all the time.
Okay.
Harpoon. I wanted you to put your harmonica for me. This is cool. We're just like neighbors helping neighbors. It's government. It's not government. It's neighbors. I put one of the tents back up.
Paul, can you explain me what's happening?
Most of the time we ride bicycles. Well, see this up here, the shutters? I live in a historic area, and the shutters must be perfect. The windows must be in, and all the siding has to be perfect. And Katrina tore some of the siding off, but since I live in a historical area, I can be fined and even lose my house for this. And one of the reasons, why I got harassed for this.
So if you got anybody celebrating Passover, kosher.
We're celebrating, what is it, 10/20?
What's that?
10/20 or 10,
What?
What is it, 4/20?
What, today? Today's the 20th, yeah.
Right,
it's the start of Passover.
It means, it means to the kids about smoking grass.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever.
10,
anyway,
20 or 40 or
this
whatever.
stuff is a couple years old. It's starting to fade, but it's still drinkable. And just
believe me, it won't last long around this crew. They've been hanging sheetrock all day.
Tell them to be careful, because if you drink too much of this, it'll go right through you. So.
Well, that'll be okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Tony.
So, yeah.
They've been hanging sheetrock all day, trying to bring this place up to specs, because they said I can't keep the guys in there because the insulation was like open.
Yeah.
So Alan helped us. We have a friend named Alan. He helped us. And
good.
We have a pressure washer now. We're trying to.
Yeah.
If you know anybody needs a pressure washer, we can do.
Well, I'm going back to New York
cheap
here.
jobs.
I'm going back to New York. This is where I make this. I make this myself.
Oh God,
so listen,
that's really cool. Do you have an email?
No, but I have it. There's a number on here. If this is, like I said, it's kind of faded.
Wow, this is cool.
Just smell it if it's good. If the pressure caps are down, it's probably okay. Mix it with water or seltzer or something, to stretch it.
Thanks, and God bless you.
Okay,
have a good
thank you.
trip.
Well, good luck with what's going on here.
All right.
I'm totally into what you're doing.
Thanks. Yeah, we're getting support from the people now. It seems like since
Ma, you want me to bring these in?
Shut down. It seems like it was almost a blessing.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, everything happens for a reason,
I think so too.
Yeah.
We got bunk beds. We're gonna dump.
Hold tight, Tony. We got a minute. Can't get through now.
Oh, okay.
Voilà, donc un petit peu en français, ce qui se passe ici, c'est que après l'ouragan, comme vous le savez, énormément de gens se sont retrouvés à la rue. Leurs maisons ont été emportées, ravagées, détruites. Certaines personnes, comme Miss Pearl, la dame que vous avez vue juste avant, a décidé, étant donné l'état de sa maison qui était relativement correct et la taille de son jardin, elle a décidé d'accueillir les personnes qui n'avaient pas de logement. Elle a ouvert son jardin à des étrangers. Elle les a invités, elle les a fait travailler, enfin elle leur a demandé de l'aider à travailler dans plusieurs maisons. Elle a rendu des services. Et juste récemment, les autorités sont venues et ont demandé à Miss Pearl de virer toutes les personnes qui étaient dans son jardin. Car Miss Pearl vit dans un quartier historique et il est interdit de laisser des gens dormir sous des tentes dans le jardin. Je ne sais pas si vous avez compris également qu'elle doit réparer son mur, je veux dire ses façades, les façades des murs qui ont été emportées par l'ouragan. Elle est obligée de les réparer car elle vit dans un quartier historique. Voilà. Et Madame Miss Pearl n'a pas énormément d'argent. Donc évidemment c'est pas facile.
We came to volunteer because we don't know how to do carpentry, and he does.
And he plays harmonica.
Yes, that's why we call him Harpoon. He's learned to play harmonica. That's his own song he composed.
voilà, ça avance, il y a des gens qui se présentent, qui l'aident, qui font du volontariat pour aider Miss Pearl. Les gens qui lui amènent de la nourriture. Elle reconstruit la maison, elle accueille des gens chez elle. En ce moment, des gens dorment dans son salon. Et elle va devoir construire des petites cabanes dans son jardin pour pouvoir continuer à accueillir certaines personnes. Donc voilà, je voulais juste dire merci à Miss Pearl qui m'a également accueilli au début de mon séjour à la Nouvelle-Orléans et qui est une femme formidable.